So today we are going to start the topic binary fission and multiple fission. Binary means two, fission means splitting. So when an organism divides into two daughter cells, the process is known as binary fission. This process occurs in unicellular organisms. For example, in case of amoeba, in case of bacterial cell, you can look at the diagram. Here one bacterial cell divides to form two daughter cells. This is called binary fission. Each daughter cell grows into the adult which will divide again. So this is found in bacteria and euglena. But sometime during unfavorable condition, they develop a thick protective covering around themselves called the cyst. And inside the cyst, the cell divides repeatedly to produce many daughter cells. So when the conditions get favorable, the cyst breaks open, releasing the daughter cells, and each daughter cell grows into a new organism. This is called multiple fission. So multiple fission, one organism will divide to produce many daughter cells. Multiple means many. So in multiple fission, from a single parent cell, many individuals are formed, but during unfavorable conditions. It is found in case of chlorella, which is unicellular alga, and chlamydomonas. So you will learn the examples also as well as the definition. So बेटा binary fission में कितने daughter cell बनते हैं? 2. And in case of multiple fission, many daughter cells are formed during unfavorable conditions. Now the next method is budding. In budding, a small bulb-like outgrowth called bud appears on the body of the organism. As you can look here in this diagram, in case of yeast, one outgrowth is formed which is known as bud. So this outgrowth is known as bud. It develops into a new organism and finally gets detached from the पेरेंट प्लांट. तो बेटा पहले ये बड यहीं पे ग्रो करती है. जब ये बड की काफ़ी ग्रोथ हो जाती है और अब ये इंडिपेंडेंटली अपनी लाइफ लीड कर सकती है, तब ये पेरेंट प्लांट से सेपरेट हो जाती है. राइट. डिटैच मीन्स सेपरेशन. इट इज़ फाउंड इन केस ऑफ ईस्ट विच इज़ अ फंगस. द नेक्स्ट मेथड इज फ्रेगमेंटेशन. इन फ्रेगमेंटेशन द बॉडी ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म ब्रेक्स इनटू टू और मोर पार्ट्स. तो फ्रेगमेंट्स का मतलब क्या होता है? पार्ट्स. इसमें एक ऑर्गेनिज्म जो है उसकी बॉडी 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा पार्ट्स में फ्रेगमेंट्स में डिवाइड करती है एंड ईच फ्रेगमेंट डेवलप्स इनटू अ कंप्लीट इंडिविजुअल. इट इज़ फाउंड इन केस ऑफ फिलामेंटस एल्गा. ये जो आप डायग्राम देख रहे हो बेटा, ये किसकी है? स्पायरोगायरा. इट इज़ अ फिलामेंटस एल्गा. इस एल्गा की बॉडी कैसी है? फिलामेंट्स के जैसी. राइट.